Okay, so now we're doing bow shooting.
2 shots, I think.
2 shots, yep. So same scoring. If you hit the... Huh?
Just go grab.
Take another arrow.
One right there, yeah.
Okay.
Same scoring. If you hit the white, it's 0. If you hit black, it's whatever it is. Breaks the line, blah, blah, blah. You know how it is.
Like, what are the odds? Like, it got hit so perfectly straight that it just like crunched in and a bunch of bones were sticking out like chicken bones. You know? My brother took something around him and tried to hand it. I come back around.
Alrighty, 2 zeros, unfortunately. Hey, it happens, man. Mad waterlogged.
No, I'm making platforms.
Oh, platform's cool. Oh, he hit the paper. Oh no, he's in a ring.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I like using the
Gary's on the scoreboard.
goes up my body temperature.
Yeah, exactly.
Warm me up, that's why I do it. We'll see.
All right.
Not that time though.
Here he comes, the stump hunter.
Dude, that dog was running
I
behind
don't
there.
think
Yeah,
so.
right?
And it sets it off like this at his house.
What are you missing, Gary?
I dropped my shooting glove someplace.
There's something over there on the ground.
What, by the target?
Your hat and something.
Threw my hat on the ground over there.
Oh, dude, you don't even need to shoot again, Mitch. You're good.
Maybe you get lucky, it's under it. Mitch got a little something down there.
I think I touched black a couple times, anyways. Not supposed to score yourself, but I'll grab it.
No. Deal rendezvous.
Alright, broke that line, so it's a 7 and 7. Alright, here's a championship match in archery. Kevin. Ah!
Yes, the bad guys of Kevin's adventures.
Exactly. And you found it?
Yeah.
Nice. And me.
Found it.
So we're in the championship round right now.
Joe had the eyeballs. He saw it.
Perfect. And Gary got his shooting glove back since he was 20 years old. Amazing. All right, here it is. Championship match. Me against Kevin. Kevin against me. For all the marbles, guy. All of them. Every single one. Yeah, buddy.
Trying to avoid the sweet.
Oh, baby.
Oh, I got the arrow.
Oh, man. He's a bull seeker over here. Dialing it in.
Let that one go too early.
Second one, no.
Kev, you made it all the way, dude. Nice.
This is it. See what
I wish I
happens.
had that other bow. It was like
See what
a
happens.
small boy's bow.
Oh, which one?
The little tan one. It walked off.
Oh.
Keys.
Oh, okay.
So good. Ooh, the tape. Uh-oh.
Oh, the pressure's on.
The tape is
got
going
it.
crazy.
I gotta go
Can you
down.
fix the tape? All right.
Interference.
No. Hopefully it'll hold. Only one more shot, so.
Yep. Just gotta get some numbers.
What did he get? A 6?
Yeah.
Oh boy. Oh, I missed!
Uh-oh.
Did you win?
I think Kevin
He
won.
did that on purpose.
I think Kevin won.
Oh my God!
He threw it on purpose.
God ever.
What a horse's ass.
Wait a minute. Yeah, I got 5. Dude, you won by 1 point.
You're the man.
Congrats, man. Good job. Yes, dude. Yes. Good job.
That's awesome.
So Kev was the archery champion.
Good time had by all.
Yep. I just blew that shot, man. I just fell apart. Off it goes. That's it.
Wow.
And Kevin was there in the clutch. Bam. Good stuff. All right, so let's
awesome,
write it
man.
down. Dude, this is your championship paper on it.
You got prizes?
Anybody got prizes to do? Okay, so I got a 5. Dude, got down to 1 point. He got a 6. Kevin.
Don't need a prize.
Champ.
Yeah,
Bam. Kev, this is what, third archery? Third round. Champ.
He's writing it on there. Putting that on eBay.
MS Randy.
All right, he's carbon fiber, Mitch.
Yep, 2018. Initials. To the champion.
So much, man.
Yep.
I really appreciate it.
Yeah, good job,
Awesome
man. You
stuff.
earned it.
You're the man.
Good stuff. Is this camera still on or did it die? It's still on. Nice.
Still on.
All right, here it is, guys. The archery tournament is over. Kev is the champion. Squeaked it out by 1 point. Bam! That's amazing, bro. I love it. That is the best win ever. One squeaking right by.
Now why could, of course I know why, I didn't have my glove.
Yeah, all of a sudden Gary gets his glove. He's like drilling the target now, of course. Shooting over here. Eric, Kev, got people over in another camp or something. I don't know, some mad camps in these woods now. Right on, man. We got a dog coming. What's his name? Colby or something?
Colby.
Yeah. Colby beef.
Colby.
Hi, Colby.
What up?
Look for num nums.
Tyler. Dude, Kev just won the archery championship by 1 point.
Took down the Dragon Slayer.
Bam!
That's all you need.
That's all
He
you
stopped the sweep because I got the BB champion. He beat me by 1 on this, or I would have got the clean sweep.
Thanks.
You got it, man.
That's awesome.
Amazing. I love it, dude. Yeah, buddy. Native Survival Rendezvous 2018. Go get you some. Yeah, so we're going to do rock, paper, scissors because, yeah.
All right,
We're
best out of
we're
one.
each champs, so.
All right.
How do you do this? What do you say?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors.
And then on shoot, you reveal what you want.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, you cut me. Single elimination. All right, you get first pick.
All right, well, what were the prizes?
The prizes are over there. Let's go do it.
Oh, you got some prizes?
Yep, he's doing prizes. He just won rock, paper, scissors. He gets first dibs. Okay, so for prizes, we have War Bonnet hat. We have a jug of real maple syrup. Nice. We have a percolator. We have a knife. And we have a wrist rocket. And we have a really nice flashlight.
Ah, condor.
So there's
you know what? I'm taking this guy.
Yep.
Yep.
That thing's awesome.
There it is, man.
For sure.
Thank you
Awesome.
very much.
Cool. Congrats, bro.
Thanks a wicked lot, man.
Yeah.
I appreciate it, Mitch.
No worries.
You earned it.
You earned it, brother. So what am I gonna get? That's actually my syrup. It'd be funny if I brought it home, eh? I picked like the thing that I thought was the best in my house, you know, to give. I'm a syrup junkie. Okay, what am I gonna pick? I already have one of these. I don't want this. I already own that. Well, not anymore, but I don't need flashlight. So knife or syrup? I don't know, guys. What do you think? Knife or syrup? I'm gonna get this knife again. El Salvador. Oh, it's a condor. Oh, I see. It's a cute little knife. I'm kind of not a fan of condor. So you know what? I'm gonna take my syrup back. How do you like me now? Yeah, buddy! Woo! Maple syrup! Yowza! Wild Mountain Maple, man. Oh, yeah. Maple syrup for the win!